In Durkheim's view of sociology as an objective science must conform to the model of the other sciences. It contains two requirements. I, the subject matter of sociology must be specific. And it must be distinguished from the subject matter of all other sciences. 2. The subject matter of sociology must be observed and explained, similar to the way in which facts are observed and explained in other sciences. Durkheim defines sociology as essentially the study of social facts and explanation of such facts in a sociological manner. Thus the subject matter of sociology refers to attributes of collectivity, i.e., social facts. For Durkheim, a thing differs from a conceptual idea in the same way as that which we know from without differs from that we know from within. Social facts in Durkheim's view therefore are things because they refer to a. An entity possessing certain definite characteristics which are independent of human observation. B. An entity, the existence of which is independent of human volition, will. C. An entity, which can be known only through external observation and not by introspection. 4 main characteristics of social facts. Externality. Social facts exist outside the individual and must be seen apart from the individual. These are sui generis, coming into existence on their own as a part of autonomous development of society. They are expressions of autonomous development of society. LL. Constraining. The social facts exercise constraining influence over the individual action. The constraint is in nature of coercion. The existence of constraints makes social facts as real as constraint is visible in terms of its consequences. LL. Generality. Social facts are general in nature and must not be confused with the individual interpretations or individual facts. These are in the form of generalized perception which is understood by all individuals in same manner. Durkheim rejects the study of exceptions and focuses upon identification of general types. For example, he studies religion as a general type and not a particular religion. 4. Independence. Social facts are independent of the individual's will. Individuals cannot change the social facts, but rather opposite is true.